Hello kids, in this video we will learn some shapes. This is hexagon, curved up arrow. This is cylinder, rhombus, circle, square. This is black color. It is hexagon. It is curved up arrow. It is cylinder. Rhombus or diamond. Circle. Square. Now let us know about the color name. These are colors. It is orange, violet, light green, yellow, blue color, red color. Now let us color the shape. It is orange color. It is hexagon. Violet color. It is curved up arrow. Light green color. It is cylinder. Yellow color. It is rhombus or diamond. It is blue color. It is circle. Red color. It is square. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is hexagon, orange color, curved up arrow, violet color, cylinder, light green color. This is rhombus or diamond, yellow color, circle, blue color, square, red color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.